Hi, this is the co-chairman of Human Merchandise, bringing to you the old famous songs from Liberia. You can remember it, pepper soup. However, Human Merchandise had the hot pepper sauce to help you enjoy your pepper soup. You need a hot pepper sauce for your fufu soup, for your dumba soup, for your palm butter soup, for your okra soup, and for any other African soup. You need a hot pepper sauce. To get an order in, call 912-398-6978 to put in your order for a jar of the hot pepper sauce that you need for your pepper soup. All right, listen to that famous song. Make sure you call and put in your order, and I'm gonna dance for you from Liberia. Okay, bye bye. Don't forget to call.